morning and welcome to ID's trade of the week for the week beginning Monday the 31st of July. We're going to look at the trade for this week in a second, but we'll look back to last week's for the week of Monday the 24th of July. And this was me, Chris Beecham, and we're looking at going long Aussie dollar, which at that point a week ago seemed to be bottoming out around the 200-day moving average and was starting to move higher. Now, it did actually begin that move higher during the course of the week, but then we had a drop 2-3 days of sharp losses off the back of some disappointing Chinese data. So you did have a reversal, which then stopped us out at the 66.80 level that we've picked as our stop, and then continued on from there. Now it seems to have recovered here, but it's a bit of perhaps a neutral one at the moment. We're not quite sure whether this is the beginning of a more sustained recovery or not. So that one was stopped out. But turning to this week, we're going to look at natural gas, look at commodity markets, and the signs of a recovery here in natural gas prices, which haven't seen, admittedly, that much upside over the past month or so, but you've certainly seen a bit of a recovery from where we were mid-month in July. So we're looking at going long natural gas with an initial target, really, I think, at least around that late June high at 29.30 and potentially on beyond that. So going long natural gas with the stop, as ever, the most important thing. We're going to put this one just below the 50-day moving average at the 2500 level. So if it does cross back below the 50-day and loses a bit more ground, there will be stopped out down there. But this is the trade for the week beginning Monday, the 31st of July. We're going to go long at natural gas with an initial target at 29.30 and our stop down at 2500.